Everybody, welcome to tutorial number 8. We're going to do a quick tutorial on how to add two buttons to your game to give you some functionality. One is button is going to quit the game. The other will play the game again. So let's get into it. Charlie is going to uncommon out invoke because in this instance we're going to use instead of when the game is over and filling in 3 seconds without restarting the level, we're going to give the player an option to play the game again or quit. It's pretty easy, pretty straightforward, and if Charlie would hurry up and type this mess out, we could get into it. So he's just saying, play blah 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 blah, and just do a quick test to see where we're at, how it's working. A little round man cruising through space and time. Hits Ice Cube. That is the best sound ever. And so what we want to do now, guys, is pretty easy. Is just create a button to play again. Could have saved like 5 minutes. Just done that. Why are you doing that, Charlie? What's the matter with you? So right click on the canvas, create a button, and if you right click on that canvas, it automatically make it a child of the game object you clicked on. You can do that for any object. Button quit, Charlie calls it, Charlie Mac for Salemo, and Command D or Control D to duplicate the button, make life easier, save a little bit of time. Double down on the carpal tunnel syndrome. Sorry, Charlie acting crazy. Alright, so all he's doing here is just kind of keeping things in order. The play again button will be on top. The quit button will be on the bottom. Space them out, make it look beautiful and pretty. This is how you make $1 million in every game. It's that easy, guys. Name your button, Quitter Don't Be. Straight from Yoda's mouth. Yoda said that, not in a movie. And then name this one play again with it. Huh? Charlie. Like nasty. Is that the is dirty function? So he's just checking out, okay, well now you gotta make a couple methods, a couple functions right here. Make them public so you can access them in the inspector from the button OnClick. And a good name would be play again. Because why would you name it something like spell alphabet backwards 4 times to the 3rd power? Use printerdebug.log to see that everything's working and that your function is being called. Copy and paste. Change the name of that to quit game, not funky donkey danky donkey. And change the print in the console so you know it's something different. Now you need to add a reference to, you need to grab the script. The game object, the script is on Game Manager Bob is on Game Manager. And you can see that the function should show up. However, there's a mystery ingredient right now. Why? Oh, look at the bottom. There's blood red. There's red. Nobody likes red. Slows you down. Makes you have to think. Intellectual labor. Nobody wants that. So it was a syntax error. It was a colon instead of a semicolon below. And the red should go away, making life easy again, nice and happy. Happy little bubbles. And now you can see that the functions have showed up in the list. So click play again to the play again button, and Quitter Don't Be. Always finish your game. Never suffer from shiny object syndrome, and find the quit game function and assign it to that button. Now, if the Unity gods are happy and nice to us, it should work. So Application.Quit is a good function to call. It'll quit your application. Charlie seems to be off it today. I know his problem is he forgot to put parentheses in. Probably can get fired. I think it's the last time we're getting rid or not having Charlie come back. I don't need to deal with Charlie ever. So we just want to reload the same game. So copy paste the build index and then delete the +1 because we don't want to reload the next scene. That'd be silly unless that's what we want to do. So what we're going to do here Charlie creates an empty game object under the canvas parent, and so you call it a buttons container. Keep it clear, concise, so you understand. So why Charlie's doing this is because he wants to he wants to click and drag the two buttons into the button container so that he can create a public game object and enable and disable it at the same time. So you don't have to make 2 times or 50 times. How many buttons? You can just enable them at once. So if you have 50 buttons, you can just click enable, set it to true, and you'll have 50 buttons on the screen instead of have to do it 50 times. So that's kind of his thinking there, and he just was very goofy and put Game Manager on the canvas for me. I don't know why he was doing that, Charlie. You're definitely not getting paid today at all. You know. See, now he's happy. It took him like 5 hours to figure that out. So it looks like everything's pretty good. You know, copy and paste the button container to wherever you want to make it set active. True. True indeed. True indeed, Charlie. Let's see. Everything's... Now, I want to stop and talk about this very quick. I have no idea what error this is. Blank error. What is this? What is that? What is this? What is that? So Charlie had to pause the screencast, close Mono and Unity, and open it up again. And fun to note that even when we reopened Unity and clicked on the script to open Mono crashed again. I don't know what's going on. Anyway, through the magic of editing, we're back. Just like that. You didn't even know that happened earlier. Boom, look at that. Now it looks like a real game. This is the multi-million-dollar game right here. Look at that. And you can't quit the game, obviously, in the editor, but you can see that the quit function is being called because quit the game is in the console. Neato burrito, super streeto, man. Bro, you can't quit the game in the Unity editor. What? They should add that, though. How cool would that be? That'd be pretty cool. It would save a lot of confusion for super noobs. Anyways, you can see, look, it works. Look at that. Can you imagine super noob and they don't put a print line and they're like, why is my game not quitting? Yeah, super noob, that's why. Now, just for kicks and giggles, you can still use this invoke function since we have it there. Might as well use it for something. Say you just like idling, the player is idling and the game's not doing anything, so maybe after 10 seconds you want to close the application or just reload the game anyways, and they start playing, go, what the hell, I didn't even play this, man. Like, what? I didn't do that. There's a ghost in the machine. So, to do that, you can use it into a float, but probably 10. I mean, why bother? You know, like, are you that particular about your countdown that you need decimals? Like, I'm going to reset the game in 3.349 seconds, not 3 seconds. Whatever. Like, you can do that, though. That's the beauty of it. If you want to do that, you should do that. I encourage you to do that. Reset at 3.94326 seconds. Never 3 seconds. So then copy and paste that variable where the 3 was, and now you can... it's public, so you can play with the inspector. If you want 10, 20, 30, 500, or 3 or 4. It's just like magic. It's amazing. So Charlie is kind of he's kind of slow today, Charlie. I don't quite understand, but clearly I messed up. Let's see where we're at. So this time we got a test to so we'll just leave it at 10 seconds. You can see that you can change there if you want, though, and we'll see what happens. Now this is the best game ever. So nobody's touching anything. Nobody's touching anything. We're waiting 10 seconds. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. 10 seconds of your time. And boom. So that could have been quit, or you could have just messed with them, put like a corn dog on the screen. Like, how did I get a corn dog? I don't know. Because you didn't play the game, so you got a corn dog. It's up to you. Be creative. Have fun with it. If you're not creative, Then maybe go paint a wall or something. Paint it blue. Paint one wall blue. And that's about it, I think. We're coming up to a close on this one. We're almost done. So just another quick test. Everything needs to be tuned up a little bit, dialed in. The controls aren't, unless you want them to control like that, they're not the best. But they work. It does it. Anyway, guys, man, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I hope 10 minutes wasn't too much of your time. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. And I think that's about it. So thanks for watching, and comment below if there's any questions. And I'll catch you next time. See ya. Happy coding.